And how is it going to be? As colorful as a full bouquet of flowers. We have now a bouquet of multiple events and the performers are ready. So why to delay? Let us start. और वो भी full जोश के साथ. So are you all ready? Let us begin with the classical dance. It is our tradition to invoke Lord Ganesha so that the succeeding events would go smoothly. And to do that, as a holy offering of a classical dance performance, I call upon Ms. Rashmi of P1J3.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणाधीनाय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रवेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Great dancers are not great because of their techniques. They are great because of their passion. We have yet another classical dance performance, but not by the same participant. This time it is Shivani of P1J1 who is going to perform Bharatnatyam. And let us watch it with 1,000 eyes.
सबके सम्मेलन अंतर्यामी पूरन की जयकार मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी मनमोहन तेरी छवियत प्यारी मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी मनमोहन तेरी छवियत प्यारी बंसी बजैया रास रचैया तारनहार मेरे तुम ही केवैया तुमसे बड़ा कहा कौन कन्हैया श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा सबके
गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। प्रेरक सूचक श्रेव वाचको दर्शक सता शिक्षक बोधक श्रेष्व षडेते गुरुवम संव्रताम। इसका अर्थात यह है कि जो हमें प्राण देता है, जो हमें शिक्षा देता है, जो हमें ज्ञान कराता है और जो हमें सही राह दिखाता है, वो सभी हमारे गुरु समान होते हैं और हमें सबका आदर करना चाहिए।
My dear friends, I am here to give a speech on great teachers of the world on this special occasion. I would like to start off by saying that teachers are the physicians of our mind. No matter in which country, city or century you live in, teachers give us the index of our life. They are the backbone of our institution and our careers. So, one of the greatest minds to ever exist was in 400 BC, Chanakya. He was a professor of political science and economics. History tells us that Chanakya was one of the greatest teachers, mentors and guides to Chandragupta Maurya and his son and helped him in the rise of the Mauryan Empire. I hope many of you may know Helen Keller here. You don't? Fine. Helen Keller was a blind and deaf girl who changed the world. But do you know her teacher, Anne? Anne was 5 years old when she had partial blindness. But she didn't let that stop her. Anne dedicated her entire life to teaching kids with disabilities and inspired generations to come. Rabindranath Tagore. I guess you have all heard the name Rabindranath Tagore by now. He was a poet, a philosopher, an activist, but most importantly, he was an educationalist. He established many universities across India and also shaped the young's mind during the freedom for struggle. He reinvoked the Gurukulam traditional method in which students study out of classrooms, out of the walls of concrete, and become more bonded towards nature. ये गुरुवर को ज्ञान से सागर है, इनसे ही जन्नत है।
बीट है और कुड़िया देना बहुत सीट है, मुंडा देना ऐस बीट है और कुड़िया देना बहुत सीट है, झूठी सही बड़ा बीट है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट है, फूल कर मैंने फूल से पड़ी तेज कटारी है, लगन तुलसी अंदर दर्द सवारी है, नचते ने सारे
society, Mr. Meghraj, to sing the song.
परमेश्वरा जगदीश्वरा, परमेश्वरा जगदीश्वरा, कलबुर्गी श्री शरण बसवेश्वरा, कलबुर्गी श्री शरण बसवेश्वरा, परमेश्वरा जगदीश्वरा, परमेश्वरा जगदीश्वरा, कलबुर्गी श्री शरण बसवेश्वरा, कलबुर्गी श्री शरण बसवेश्वरा, ಅರಳಗುಂಡಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನಾಯ ಜನನ, ಸಾಲುಕ್ಯ ಮನೆತನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನಾದೆ ಕಿರಣ, ಅರಳಗುಂಡಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನಾಯ ಜನನ, ಸಾಲುಕ್ಯ ಮನೆತನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನಾದೆ ಕಿರಣ, ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಗುರುವಿನ ಚರಣ, ನಿತ್ಯವೂ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಗುರುವಿನ ಸ್ಮರಣ, ಸತ್ಯಕಾಯಕ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ನೀನಾದೆ ಶರಣ, ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರ, ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರ, ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಶರಣ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ, ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಶರಣ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Now it's time to welcome welcome guests, chief guests, and all dignitaries of the function. First, I would like to call teacher of our society, Mr. Naveen. All of you put your hands together to welcome guests. Businessman, Mr. Sainath. Famous batsman, Mr. Aman Sheikh. The great neurologist, Mr. Dr. Shantras. The great politician, Mr. Siddhalingaya Swami. Engineer, CEO, Miss Deepti. Bank manager, Miss Sanika. Excuse me, sir. Teacher of our society, Mr. Naveen, can you please sit there? Sorry, because there is no place.
Okay, ma. I'll accept everything. I am a teacher.
Now, it's time to invite guest of the function. That's none other than IAS Kumari Anjali Patil. You all are shocked that why I'm touching his feet. He is the one who inspired and supported me to become a great IAS. He is none other than my teacher. Sir, please come here, sir. Your seat is here.
Okay, ma.
Friends, today we have welcomed many great people like businessman, doctor, sportsman, politician, engineer, lawyer, bank manager, CEO, IAS. Our city has reached a great position, but why we have forgotten the role model of our success? That's none other than our teacher.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Gurave Namaha, Gurave Namaha. Happy Teacher Day to all teachers.
Respected President, honorable teachers, and my dearest friends. First of all, I would like to wish a happy Teachers' Day to all. Today, I feel very proud that I have a wonderful opportunity to express my feelings about the greatest persons in everyone's life, that about a teacher. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I am Kirti Paramji, would like to express my thought on the topic, and about the topic is, should a teacher work for me? Teachers are often praised for their selfless dedication to educating the next generation. They are the individuals who shape the young minds, inspire their students, and cultivate a love for learning. However, today I would like to discuss a controversial question and a thought that is very much necessary to discuss here in the present situation, and the topic is, should teachers work solely for money? Teaching is undoubtedly a noble profession, and many individuals choose this career path out of a genuine passion for education. They aim to make a positive impact on a society and believe that their occasion goes beyond the financial compensation. While it is true that money should not be the sole motivator for becoming a teacher, we must also acknowledge that teachers also have the financial responsibilities like any other professional. Today, in our college, some of our friends took a part of our teachers and gave a best seminar. I think so. They now get to know what the effort made by the teachers behind a one class. And teaching is not easy. It's a demanding job that requires continuous learning, creative lesson planning, and effective classroom management skills. In addition to the time spent in a classroom, teachers often have to grade papers, attend meetings and workshops, and provide the individual assistance to students. Despite their best efforts, teachers are not immune to the rising of the living. They have their own bills to pay, families to support, and dreams to pursue. If we expect teachers to give their best every day and provide quality education to our children, we need to ensure that they are well compensated for their efforts. Adequate financial support not only proves the morale of a teacher, but also attracts the talented individuals to the profession. Teachers who face the financial strain may feel undervalued or even consider leaving the field altogether, resulting in a loss of experienced educators. Moreover, fair compensation helps create a stable and sustainable teaching workforce. When teachers are confident in their financial security, they can focus more on providing the facility, good quality education, instead of worrying about their personal finance. This in turn benefits the students as they receive the undivided attention and commitment from the teachers. On the other hand, some argue that the pursuit of money can potentially taint a teacher's dedication to the students. They claim that if money becomes the primary motivation, the profession may attract the individuals who may not possess the necessary passion for teaching. While this concern is valid, it is crucial to remember that appropriate compensation does not mean that the teachers are solely motivated by money. Teachers should still be evaluated on their skills, knowledge, and ability to inspire and engage the students. In conclusion, while we can appreciate the pure intention of those who argue that teachers should work solely for the love of education, we must also recognize the importance of a fair financial compensation. Teachers are indispensable contributors to our society, and ensuring their financial stability is not only beneficial to them, but also to the students they serve. Let us strive to value and support our teachers in every way, including providing them with a salary that acknowledges their dedication and hard work. Today, I urge each and every one of us to express our deep appreciation and gratitude to those teachers who have left an indelible mark on our lives. Let us honor their tireless efforts by recognizing the remarkable contributions they made to our society. Let me allow to conclude my speech. I concluded my speech by saying the greatest author, William the author, what says that a mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, and the superior teacher demonstrates, whereas the great teachers always inspire. And we feel lucky that we have great teachers in our college, and thanks for giving a golden opportunity to express my feelings about the teachers. And once again, happy Teachers Day to all, and thank you. तुमसे है मेरे ख्वाबों का जहां, तुमसे है उम्मीदों की कहकशां, तुमसे ही खुदा हम पर मेहरबान, तुम्ही रोशनी हो इल्म की, तुम्ही रहनुमा, जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ, जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ। माँ बाप की शफकत भी है, इल्म की दौलत भी है, और तेरी दुआओं से हर कदम इज्जत भी है। हमें हौसला तूने दिया, हायती तूने दिया, जिससे आगे बढ़े कदम, वो रास्ता तूने दिया। तुम्ही रोशनी हो इल्म की, तुम्ही रहनुमा, the way you teach and make us wise, enlighten us with your brightest light, and lead us to the path that is so right. Your love is there, but it's never hard to find. जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ, जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ, जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो थकाते तो कभी पापा बनकर डांटे लगाते, दोस्त की तरह हर मुश्किल में ढाल बनकर यारी है निभाते, तो कभी खुदा की तरह हमारी रक्षा है करते, परछाई की तरह हमारे साथ है चलते, तो कभी चिड़िया की तरह हमें पर खोल के उड़ना है सिखाते, तो कभी चिड़िया की तरह हमें पर खोल के उड़ना है सिखाते, सारी मुश्किलों को अकेले झेल कर हमारे चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट फैलाते, ये और कोई नहीं गुरु है कहलाते। बागी से वर्षों तेरे बोलेंगे सबनाई, सबको मनाने की तेरी नई जिम्मेदारी, ऊंचे आसमानों पे लिख दे तू हिस्सेदारी, खोल दे पर, 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 बंद घड़ी सीधी रुकी हुई सुई, होती सही दो दफा, होती सही दो दफा, चुप क्यों है रहना मन का तू कहना, रुके चाहे हिस्सियाँ, रुके चाहे हिस्सियाँ, आज समंदर अपना अंबर खोज रब तू अपने दम पर, फूंक मार के धुल जाए छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चक्कर, खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर। थैंक यू।
लगता है जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुक भर रंगों की बरखा है, खुशबू की आंधी बनाई हुई थी अब सारी दिशाएं हटाई हुई थी अब सारी हवाएं हटोई हुई थी अब सारी दिशाएं बदली हुई थी अब सारी हवाएं जारी कोई आए लगाया था नजरों पे छाया था तुमने समाया था कैसे न बताओ तुम्हें क्या था उस पाया था तारे से चेहरे पे तेरी दिल से कैसा लगता था जैसे कमर के पीछे एक ओस में धुला हुआ फूल खिला है जैसे बादल में एक चांद छुपा है और शांत रहा है जैसे रात के पर्दे में एक सवेरा है रोशन रोशन आंखों में सपनों का सागर जिसमें प्रेम सितारों की सागर जैसे झलक रही है लहरों लहरों बात करो जैसे मोती पर दे जैसे कहीं चांद की पायल गूंजे जैसे कहीं शीशे के जाम गिरे और सन को टूटे जैसे कोई चुप के सितार बजाए जैसे कोई माधुरी रात में गाए जैसे कोई हाल के साथ
कभी तो क्रोध हो गया हंसने हंसना लकड़ी चली हथड़ी मेरा ओ अच्छा ओ अच्छा
करता है जो यहाँ पे बोलता है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू चुप चुप देखे आंखों में जाके है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू अटकाई करता है जो यहाँ पे बोलता है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू चुप चुप देखे आंखों में जाके है दिल में क्या क्या शुरू मुझे बता करो बता कभी तेरा
मेरे
लड़के से पीछ लड़ा ले जाएगी और बहन सपना तो बरसना तो सुहाना तो पटका रहना गिर जाए तो फिर न सहना फुलका गिरावे
झुमका